Hello everyone, this is Kaga from Kaga Motors. I'm going to introduce you to a 2006 Isuzu Elf smoother transmission 4.45 ton drop side truck. This is aluminium block body, 6 stud wheels, high deck, front and rear leaf spring, and you can see some damage to the driver's seat. This is auto manual transmission. We call it Isuzu smoother transmission without clutch. This has air condition and the heater is also working well. As you can see, no check lamps are blinking. The mileage is 352,000 kilometers. Just see I'm increasing the idling. You can see no check lamps are blinking. The engine condition is sound and no vibration. 300,000 kilometers, but no vibration in the engine. See, the sound is good. No white smoke, no black smoke. Please see the clean and beautiful frame. No rust at all. Even you can see the original markings on the frame. And see, the leaf springs are on top of the differential. So this is a high deck truck. That means this is a heavy duty truck. You see, 4,550 kilograms the loading capacity. This has a aluminium bumper at the rear. Again, 6 stud wheels, 225 ATR 17.5. This is all season tires. And just now we'll take a look at the engine. Again, as I said, this one is a front leaf spring truck, and you see this is a 4HL1 intercooler turbo engine. Again, please see the surroundings of the engine. No oil leaks at all. Little bit of vibration. This is mostly common for a common rail engine of this age. You see the front leaf spring, shock absorbers are also good. So undercarriage of the cabin is also no rust at all. Overall good vehicle. Especially in trucks, but you want to we have to be careful about the frame. The frame is very beautiful in this truck. Take a look at the flat body. This flat body is made out of aluminium block. You can see the blocks are very clean, no scratch, very little scratch if it's there. And this can be opened from 3 sides, rear, left and right. The flooring is also protected, so you can use it for heavy duty work. And the aluminium blocks are also very straight, so it looks nice. You can just see the aluminium blocks are straight, no scratches at all. And under the body you have storage space for a ladder or something like that. Again, take a look at the frame. It's clean and no damage. The frame number also can be seen clearly. See the sound. The sound is very good. The engine condition is very good. This is the caution plate of this truck. NPR 81, CB-AB-6766 is the frame number. You'll find the same frame number on the frame. And the chrome parts on these trucks are original Isuzu chrome parts. So it's this truck is almost 15 years old, but see the condition of the chrome is also very good.